Hello, dear 6th graders. How are you guys? I hope everything is fine with you and you are healthy and everything is fine with you. As you know, uh, we have tomorrow, okay, our vaccination day, and for precaution, everything it's happened fine. I recorded already the video, okay? But let's go ahead for our lesson today. Will be very good. Attention over here and let's work. Great. Let's go ahead here. Our lesson today, we are supposed to talk first about mental math. Here I have all the set of numbers. Oh, you have me here. Let me just move me a little bit. Okay, right now I am here. Okay, I will be here. And after I move again. Great. Here it's me. Probably will reduce myself. I think it's better. Great, better. Oh, very small, Mr. Romeo, but I am here, guys. I am here, hey. Okay, here are mental math. We have here the set of numbers. Let's, after this, figure out the box plot. Okay, the box plot over here. Oh, let me move me again. Here, okay, I'll be here. How we figure out the first one, guys? As you notice, the first one is easy to figure out. I start in number 4 and I will go over 3, 5, 5, 5, 5. What is the median here? The median, it is the half. It's 3, oh, sorry, it's 4 plus 5. We organize the data first. 4 plus 5, it's 9. It is 4.5. Okay, where's 4.5? Oh, here. Here, this one will be 4.5, and let's go over there. Great, we figure out the first one. We find the 4.5 over here. The second one, organize the data again. Okay, will be 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 9. I start number 4. Where I start number 4? Here. I start number 4, and they'll go, the last one will be 9. Okay, 4 and 9. I easily find here, and my median, it is 6. Well, I misorganized the data. You will see the median is 6 over here. 3, 4 there, 3, 4 there. And I have 6 in my median. And I have each line over here, I have 1/4 of the data. Great. Next one we'll have over here. Let me find. Okay, 22, 25, 23. Organize the data first. I think it's already that. It's 22. Okay, start here 22 and go until 45. Oh, here I have everything here, and the median, it is 35.5. Great, and I have all distribution of the data. And the last one, oh, the last one for sure, mister, it is this one. Okay, why? We have starting 0. Okay, where is the 0 here? 0 here. Can you see? 0. I start in 0 and I go over all the data. I find the median. The median is on number, I think it's 16 or 17 over here, the median. The first part of the data here. Remember, I not talk about the range of the data. I talk about the quantity of data I have in that range. Okay, that's the meaning. We talk about the distribution of the data, box plots. Okay, guys, we are instructions hybrid teaching. Okay, let me change again myself. Okay, me, Mr. Romeo, you are here now. Okay, I'm bigger again. The hybrid teaching, guys, you know everything. These instructions, I don't need to wait a lot of time over here. But remember what you have to do. Here's our agenda. Okay, we're talking about today frequency tables, histograms, and circle graph. It is very easy, very simple. Great. Our enter ticket, it is. Yay, statistics. Yes, it is. What does a frequency table mean? And how can I plot a circle graph? Attention over here. Let's do it and understand everything we need to do. Please focus over here. Let's go, guys. Frequency tables. What is it, mister? What does it mean, frequency tables? Guys, the frequency tables is a group's data values into intervals. Okay, we define the intervals. We have a group of data in that interval. The frequency is the number of values in each interval we have. And usually to figure out, we use tallies. Okay, We use tallies. What is tallies? Means that thing here. One, we count, okay? Use the counters or tallies, okay? The data below represents the score on a math test. Let's see 51 to 60. Let's figure out. I have 155 here, the first. How many more to 60? No, 61, no. But I have over here the first line, no. Okay, 52, another tally. Just 2. Yes, just 2. Then my frequency over here is 2. 61 to 70. 61 to 70. I have one here. Okay, let me use another color just for you to understand, guys. Don't be sure you are understanding. 61 here. Another one between 70. Here in the first line, no. 65 and 70 here. 3. Great, 3. Okay, 71 to 80. 71 to 80. Let's go 71 to 80 here. And what else? 80, 78. And yeah, that's it. I have more. Let me see here. Oh, 71 to 80. Oh, 74 here, mister. Don't forget it. 74. What else? What else I have over here? 60, 80. Okay, let me see here. Double check if I'm missing nothing. Yes, I think it's everything here. 71 to 80. 71 to 80. Okay, great. 3. Nice. Let's go 81 to 90. 81 to 90. 81, 1 to 90. 80. Okay, I have 2. 1, 2. 81 to 80. Now 81 to 90 here. What else? No, in the first line, no more. 86, 81, 2 more. 1, 2. 81 again, 5. And I have 5. 5. And 92, 1 to 100. Let's check right now. The last one. 92, 1 to 100. I have 100 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. And here 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Here's 7. Great. Here is my tally, guys. 2, 3, 3, 5, and 7. Great. I'd miss anything? No, don't miss nothing. Great, guys. It's easy. Right now, give you time to your work in example number 2. Great. I'll give a little bit time to work. Pause this video and work in the example number 2 here. The data below represents the number of laps around the track completed by a group of runners. Organize the data into the frequency table. Nice, guys. Organize the data in the frequency table here. As you know, how many datas I have? 1 to 5. 1 to 5. I have 1, 2, 3, 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7. 7, guys. I have 7 the total. 1 to 5. And what else? Mister, let's check. Right now, 6 to 10. 6 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the first line, I have 5. 5. And the second line. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 9. Let me check. Let me check if I miss something. Oh, I forgot the 7 here. I have 7 here. 5. 5 and 5. 10. I have 10 in total. Great. Next line. Let me check here. Orange. 11 to 15. 11 to 15. 1, 2, 3. The first line I have 3. And the second line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I have 6. And the last one, the last group of data I have over here. Let's work 3. Oh, let me check it. 16 to 20. 1 here, 2 here, and 3. I have 3. Here's my frequency table, guys. Very easy to understand. Great. Let's go, guys. Let's talk about histogram. What is it? Mister, can you explain to us what histogram means, how we can use it, and the special about histogram, guys? It is a bar graph that shows the frequency of data value. Complete the histogram using your frequency table number 2 from above. Okay, we use this data here. Okay, I have all this information already. Okay, let's remember 1 to 5. 1 to 5. If you 1 to 5 here was 7 and the color purple. Let's do it. 1 to 5 goes to number 7. 7. Where's 7 here, mister? Isn't 2 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here. I go to here. It's a bar graph, guys. Don't be perfect. As if it's possible, do it perfect. But it's not no problem also. Okay? Here is the first one. 7. Oh, miss, it's not beautiful. I know. It's not beautiful, but it's learnable. Okay, the most important thing, you are learning using this thing. Nice. Better now. Right now, next one, it is the table goes 6 to 10. 6 to 10 goes until 10. Then which color we use it? Let me red. This dark red over here. We go until number 10. Let's go here. Number 10. Okay. Oops, sorry, this last one. Okay, great. Better. Okay, we're going to 10. Oh, mister, do I need to do something? No, sorry, just it. Do I need to color it? It's up to you guys. If you like it, color it. If you don't worry, don't need it. Okay, it's a bar graph. Right now, 11 to 15. 11 to 15. Let me remember which information we use already. 11 to 15, 6. 6, guys. We go until 6. Let me do it here. 6. Which color I use it? Oh, this is orange. Okay, orange here. I go to 6. Where's 6? Over here. I know my 6 is here. Great. Oops. Very bad. Here. And here is my bar graph. Nice. And the last one, 16 to 20, it was 3. I use green. Use here green. And it goes until number 3 over here. Guys, here is my bar graph. Okay? We learn about this. This is histogram. Okay? The special name for bar graph is histogram. Okay? The height of the bar represents the frequency of the data. A histogram shows grouping of data, not individual data values. Therefore, it is not possible to find measures of center or range. Okay? We cannot find center and range with this information. Okay? We just find how high the group of numbers goes. Okay? If we're talking about grades, something like that. And how we can read it. Let's talk about reading. How can we read this thing? How many runners are there? How many runners are there? We add everything, all the data over here. Let's add them, mister. Let's add everything together. The first one was 7 plus. Next one 10 plus. Next one 6 plus. Next one, last one 3. Okay. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 6 equals 26. Great. How many runners run a maximum of 15 laps? How many runners run a maximum of 15 laps? Okay. I'm looking for runners run a maximum. Okay. The top number is 15. Can I run more? 16? No. 17? No. The top? 15. Then it is this group over here. Okay, this group over here I'm talking about. This group here. These three groups. It is 7 plus 10 plus 6, which is 23. Great. How many runners run at least 6 laps? At least, okay? At least 6 laps. Can I run 4 laps? 5 laps? 4 laps? Nope. I need at least 6 laps. Then, which group of numbers are talking about, mister? I'm talking about these 3 here. Okay? Let's do it. It is 10 plus 6 plus 3, which is 19. Which interval contains the least runners? Guys, which interval has many less runners? The least one, it is the graph over here. It is the group of 26 to 20 laps. Okay? Is the least quantity. Great. We learned right now how to do and how to read. Great. Let's go right now to our next graph. We're supposed to work today. It is, we have warm up first. You say warm up with this thing? Percentage. Yes, guys, let's work on percents a little bit. And after we go ahead, I think everybody remember a little bit of percents, yes? I hope so. How can we solve this one? Guys, as I told you, I think you remember our class about decimals. Remember? In the first semester, quarter number 2, I think you remember. What is 25% of 20? What you need to do here, you multiply 60. We're multiply 60 times 25, and the result will divide by 100. You can use here easily our multiplication. Remember, guys, 60 times 25. Let me use here this. Let's do it. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 6, 30. And plus, right now I go to the tens. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 6, 12. Adding everything here, 0, 0. 3 plus 2, 5. Plus 1, 1,500. Divided by 100, guys, what does it mean? It means my decimal will walk 2 houses. Remember, guys, we are walking 2 houses here, okay? 2 place values. Let's walk here 1 and 2. My percent, my quantity, okay, of this thing, it is 15. It is the total. Oh, mister, so easy. Yes, it's very easy, guys. Very easy. Let's go ahead here again using the same thing. We have 40% of 40 divided by 100 times 95. Okay, mister, doesn't matter the order. No, it doesn't matter. Remember, the order of factors don't change the product. Remember this thing we learned there in quarter number 1 about multiplication? Yes, mister, I remember. I hope. Okay, right now, 95 times 40. Okay, 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 9 is 0. Okay, right now goes to tenths. 4 times 5, 20. Carry 2. 4 times 9, 36. 36 plus 2, 38. Adding 0, 0, 8, 3. Right now, my decimal point, remember where's the decimal point? It's here. Okay, walk 2 here. 1, 2, 38. Oh, nice, easy. Great, guys. Right now, time to you work in number 3, number 4. It's up to you, okay? Pause this video and work in number 3, number 4 right now. Great. Good job. Okay, guys, you finish your work on this activity. I think I just write here the answer key, okay, guys? If you want to how to do it, remember, you just watch the videos, return a little bit the video, how to proceed with this thing. Okay, but the result here is 84, if you got it, and here is 34. Great. Let's go right now. Why we start about fractions, or Mr. about percents? Why we need to start with this thing? I will talk with you right now. Why? Because circle graph, we need to work using percents. Mister, how can I use this thing? Let me talk first about the circle graph, okay? And after we go ahead and work a little bit using this activity, okay? The circle graph or pie chart displays data in a section of a circle, okay? We have a full circle. The circle represents all the data 100%, and the section, okay, like a part of the pie, remember, okay, or a slice of the pizza, okay? This graph is called also a pizza graph, okay? The circle graph, we have a part of it, okay? We need to figure out what part of the graph we're talking about. Here, the percent in each section represents a part of the whole data set, okay? Nice. Example here. The 20 students in Miss and Adam's homeroom were asked their favorite sport. The results are given in the circle graph below. Complete the table identifying the number of students who reported each type of sport. Show your work in the space below. Great, guys. Right now, let's work and show here everything we're supposed to do. Great. Attention over here, how to do it, I will explain easily. Basketball was 25%. Baseball, 30%. Hockey, 5%. And football, 40%. How can we figure out and find it? In football, guys, we know that all the quantity of students is 20, yes? 20. All the quantity is 20. And what is the percent of they play football, guys? 40%. Oh, Mr. Dan, times 40%. As you know, the word percent means per 100, okay? Divided by 100. Nice. Here, just find it. 20 times 40. Okay, 20 times 40. 0 times 0, 0, 0 times 2, 0 again, plus 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 2, 8. 800. Divided by 100, I walk 2, 1, 2. My number here is 8. The quantity people play, number of students play football, 8. Nice. Baseball. Baseball, the same thing. We have here the quantity of students, 20. The percent, 30%. Work on this. Multiply 20 times 30 will be 600. 600 divided by 100. We are goodbye zeros will be 6. Oh, Mr. Easy, do you divide like this way? Yes, guys, very easy. Very easy. Divide by 0, 0, goodbye zeros, and done. Basketball, guys. Then, oops, sorry. Here, okay. Basketball, guys, this over here, it is 20 times. No, it's up to you, guys. Solve this one, okay? Basketball and hockey is up to you. I will pause the video and I will return over here to solve, okay? Pause the video and solve this one. Okay, I think you solved this one, and here it is. Basketball quantity is 5 and hockey it is 1. Right over here, 5 and 1. Great. Let's go to our next thing, the histogram. Let's return to histogram again. Why, Mr. We return to histogram? Attention over here, I will explain to you how we can read, how can we construct, and how can we create histograms, okay? Let's talk a little bit about this thing. The histogram below gives the birth weights of students in a class. How many students weighed between 7 and 7.9 pounds? How many students, guys? About 7.9 pounds. Here, and the quantity, 9. Great, we got it. It's 9 students. 9 students. And the second question. How many students weigh less than 8 pounds? Less than 8 pounds. Okay? Who less than 8 pounds? This group, this group, this group. Okay? The quantity here is 1 plus here 3 plus 9, which is 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 9, 13 students. Great. Nice. We figure out this one. Next one. Which interval contained the most students? Which interval has more people over there, guys? If you get it, the interval, it is the interval here, 7 to 7.0 to 7.9. Here is the interval, okay? Here's the pounds, okay? LB pounds. Great. Nice. I think you understand. Guys, it's up to you, okay, to solve this next one. Here, let me explain to you first. The typing seats of students in a keyboard in class is given below. What percent of the students type between 41 and 45 words per minute? First of all, find the quantity of students I have in this class, okay? Here is 3. Here is the second interval here, it's 9. The third one, it is 5. Fourth one, it is 2. The last one, 1. Let's add together all the numbers. 3 plus 9 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 1, 20. The quantity of students I have is 20. And the group I'm talking about is 41 to 45. Is this group here. I'm talking about this group. How can I find here? Guys, remember, write this in a fraction. Okay, mister. How can I write this in a fraction? 9 over 20. Great. 9 over 20. And how can I make the denominator equals 100? Which number times 20? I have 100. Guys, remember fractions? Mister, I don't like fractions. Guys, fractions is amazing. Remember, which number times 20 equals 100? Mister, I don't know. Okay, which number times 2 equals 10? 5. Okay, times 5. 20 times 5 is 100. Then you need the same thing here. 9 times 5, it is 45. Fraction percent, mister, related? Yes, remember, guys. I think you remember. And here, writing in percentage, it is 45%. Great. Guys, if you don't understand, return the video a little bit. I'll explain over and over and over as much as you want, okay? Let's go here a little bit, red. Here, guys, we return again to our work making this circle graph. Attention over here. I will explain to you how to do the circle graph here easily. Okay, it's very easy how to solve it and understand these steps over here. Here, it is 75 students were surveyed and asked how many text message they sent the previous day. The results of the survey are shown in the graph to the left. Use the circle graph to answer question 5 and 6. How many students sent more than 100 messages? Guys, who is the group more than 100 messages? We're reading the circle graph. Is this group here? Where is it? Oh, it's here. Is this group here, mister? Okay, we notice we easily find this thing. Let's go work and understand here how can we solve this one. Guys, first of all, the quantity of students we need to figure out here. How many students sent more than 100 messages? First, let's figure out how many students do I have. Yes, the first thing I need to ask myself, how many students do I have in this group? Where is this information? 75 students. Here's the information. The total students, 75. And the percent, mister, I need times 12 divided by 100. Oh, just it? Yes, just it. And multiply here, guys, easily. Remember, 75 times 12, 75 times 12, which is 2 times 5, 10, carry 1, 2 times 7, 14, plus 1, 15. Right now, I go to the tens. Let me erase here the carries, so don't confuse. Okay, 1 times 5, 5, 1 times 7, 7, which is 0, 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9, 900. The result is 900 over 100. And which is, goodbye zeros, goodbye zero, the quantity of students, it is 9 students. Ah, easy, easy, yes guys, easy. Here, great. And the next one, mister, it is how many students sent between 50 and 99. Okay, let me erase this one. Let's go to the second group. The second group of students, 50 and 99. Who is it? Here, these guys. Who is here in my pie chart? Here, 52. Okay, the total students, 75, times 52, which is divided by 100. Okay, because of the percent. 75 times 52, we know it is 3,900 divided by 100, which is goodbye 0, goodbye. The quantity of students, 39 students. Ah, so easy. Yes, guys, I told you guys. It's easy, easy, easy. Guys, work by yourself in the chart number, this one, favorite cooks, okay? A bake shop surveys 150, attention, 150 random customers and ask their favorite type of cookie. The results of the survey are shown in the graph to the left. Use the circle graph to answer question 7, 8. Okay, it's up to you. I'll stop the video right now and go ahead. Okay, you finished, probably you finished this already. And how can we figure out this one? Mister, I don't remember. Guys, easy. Okay. Here, how many customers said chocolate chip? Where's chocolate chip here? This pattern. And go over here. 48%. And you know, 48 times 150 equals 72. 48%, okay? 72. 72 customers, okay? And here, how many customers said oatmeal, raisin, or peanut butter? When you say one or other, you add together the persons, okay? It's two, they both together. The oatmeal, raisin, and peanut butter was these two pattern here. 8 plus 16 first, okay? 8 plus 16, 24. 24%. And right now you find over here 150 times 24%, it is 36 customers, okay? Nice. I think you understand this thing. Let's go ahead to build our graph, okay? We have this more example over here. If you have time, pause the video and solve this one, okay? Pause the video now. Okay, I think you'll finish. Here, guys, it is very easy. If you solve it, the first one is on 114 students, okay? I'm talking about these students higher than 70. Which group is that, miss? These two group here. These two pattern. C and D. You see here, this one, this pattern, and the other pattern, this one. Okay, this other pattern. Great. Nice. Add together 35% and so for this one. And how many more students earn an A than a D? Okay, you need to figure out how many students earn A, okay? How many students in this group here, 20%. And you subtract by the quantity for students got a D. And here is this other pattern. Who got a D? Here, this group, okay? You find out, first find the person, okay guys? Don't subtract like 20 minus 5. No, don't do that. First, find the person. 120 times 20%. And you got a result, and you have other 120 times 5%. We got another result, okay? And you subtract. 24 minus 6 is equal to the number of students, 18 students. Great, guys. We finished this thing. I think you understand. Here's how to read the histograms. Okay, we have more histograms to read over here. I will just go over this thing. If you need the answer sheet, the answer key for this one, please let me know. I'll send to you. Okay, here is creating histograms. Okay, you need, guys, what is the first thing? You need to create the interval. Okay, be sure you understand how to create the interval. Mister, how can I got a good interval over here? The first thing, find the range. Okay, how many numbers do I have over here? The range here, okay, must be the same size and not overlap. There should be no space between the bars. Okay, no space between the bars. Attention over here. The interval here, guys, if you understand, my least number, first organizing this data here, who is the least and who is the greatest? Attention over here. How can we do this thing? Okay, let me just roll, yes, this one. Okay, how can we do it? Attention over here. The least and the greatest. We can use, guys, if you wanna. It's easy also to use this one to solve. You can use the stem leaf to figure out where's this thing. It's up to you. But let's go work, guys, using the temps. Okay, my least number is 0, if you got it, and my highest number here, it is 49. I did it already, guys. Is 0 to 9. The frequency table here is 5. Where's 5, miss? Let me go here. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. Do I have any more? 5. Great. 0 to 5, I have 5. As you notice, 5. Okay, next thing. Let's go over here, my tab here. Let me label it. Let me label it already, and then we do just started bars. Okay, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. And I go here into my tab and down to to 5. Here 0 to 9. Try to do your best, guys, to make it equal. Okay, your bar graph. Not be perfect, but try to do at least equal. Okay, I think it's a lot. This one 0 to 5. I have a lot of data over here. The second group, let's go ahead. Here is green. The second group is 10 to 19. 10 to 19. 10 to 19 here. Where is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. The first line 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second line 1, 2, 3, more 3. 1, 2, 3. 7. 7. And I go my bar graph over here. I don't have gaps, okay, between the bars, okay? 7. 7. I know it's not perfect, guys, but just for educational thing. 10 to 19. Right now, next one. Orange. This is orange. Here's 20 to 29. 20 to 29. Which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 here. 5. Next line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. 10. I have 10. Let's go to 10. Here it is 20 to 39. We go to 10. Here, here, here. Great. Next one, 30 to 39. 30 to 39. 30 to 39. We go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 4. Which is 4 over here. It is 30 to 39. Great. And the last one, 40 to 49. 40 to 49 here, 40 to 49, which is 40 to 49. We go over here, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Great. Here is the histogram, guys. We create this one. Remember, this information here below, it is in minutes, okay? It is minutes. Great. That's why I talk about the random minutes for 30 random calls at customer service center, okay? Okay, we got over here the information. The second one, guys, is up to you, okay? Work on this. Do it yourself. It's easy. If you need the answer key, I send it to you. Here is more work, okay, with Sting and Leaf. And here, let's right now create circle graph, okay? It's the last thing I'll teach you today. The circle graph, guys, what I'm supposed to do here. Attention, the first thing, find the percent of the whole for each section, okay? The total first, the total. The total over here, it is 16 plus 6, it is 22. 22 plus 10, 32. 32 plus 8, 40. The total is 40. The first one, find the percent over here. How is it, mister? Is 16 over, oops. The first one, it is 16 over 40. 16 over 40. The first, let me use another color. 16 over 40. 16 over 40. Okay, the first. Right now, how can I do it? Here, we can find easy. Here, 16 over 40. We need to figure out a number times 4 equals 100. Which number is that, mister? Do you know this number? Let me think first. We can easily go over here to figure out, simplify first. Let's simplify first. What the simplify here, divided by 4, no, by 8. Let's divide by 8. 8 and 8. Simplify first, okay, guys? 16 divided by 8, 2. 40 divided by 8, 5. 2/5. Right now is easy. Right now is better to find it. Which number times 5 is 100, guys? It is 20. Then multiply by 20 over here also. 20 times 20. It is 40. 40%, guys. In the graph, as you know here, approximate the size of the section, for example, 24% would be approximately 1/4 of the circle. For the exact angle, multiply the percent by 360 and use a protractor to draw the angle. Guys, we don't use this thing. What are you supposed to do? I know. Imagine your graph here, I'm dividing fourths, okay? Don't worry, guys, the graph, when I using the circle graph, I will give you all the information here, okay? Here is 1/4 of the graph, okay? All the direction here, 1/4. Great, mister. I know this little size here is 1/4. How can I find here 10%? 10%, I used another color. Don't worry, guys, I'll copy and paste and send it to you later, okay? This one, 10. Here is 20, a little bit. Guys, I know it's not the correct size, but we're trying just to figure out, okay? Not perfect. Okay, 10, 20. Here's 30. Here it's 40. Yes, 40. Here 40. Oh, it's a little bit more. Yes, 40, 50. Okay, 60 here. 70 here. 80 here. 90 here. And 100. Great, I need 40. How can I draw 40, mister? I'll go here. I start number 0. Here's my 0. Okay? And 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Here. I know this is 40%. And who is here? First. Okay? He's the first. And the other one is, mister, how can I solve it? The same thing, guys, as I told you. Let's use here the second. The second, it is 6 over 40. Let's simplify first. Divided by 2, divided by 2 will be 3 over 20. Which number times 20 equals 100, guys? It is, again, 5 times 5. And here also times 5. Great, times 5. 3 times 5, 15. 15%. How can I figure out this one? 15%. We know here is 40. Here is 10. And a little bit, a half of this. This way here. Oh no, here is 40. 50, 60, yes, here. Guys, I know it's not perfect, but I'm just trying. 50%. Here's the second, okay? Here's the second. Next one, the same thing, the same process, okay? The third one, it is 10 over 40. I simplify this one will be 1/4. Which number times 4 will be 100? If you know this thing, it is easily, you can figure out, it is 25. 25. And here, 25 also. 25, we will 25 hundredths. Great. 25 over 100 here. Let's go walk here. Here is 5, 15. Here is 20. 25 hundredths. Okay? Or 25%, sorry. 25%. Here's the third one. And the last one here. Oh, what is left? Yes, what is left? For real. Here's what is left. The fourth. Okay? It is, if you notice, if you add together here 30 first 40 or 30 90 here 5 30 40 40, yes, not 30 40 40, here's 20%. 20%. Okay, the fourth one, how can we know this one? 80 divided by 40 will be, simplify the fraction, 1/5. 1/5. Which number multiply here? So got a 100. Here we multiply by 20. And they do the same thing on the top. 20%. Great, guys. We finish over here. Here's the lesson. If you need anything else, please let me know. Bye, guys. Love you so much. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you later.